Facts about facts. Present's top 10 badass programmer. Number 10, Dave Cutler, is an American software engineer, designer and developer of several operating systems including Windows NT at Microsoft. Cutler holds over 20 patents and is an affiliate professor in the Computer Science Department at the University of Washington. Number 9, Richard Stallman, the original free software activist and father of the GNU project. He's been one of the central figures of software freedom for decades now. As a programmer, he authored some of the most awesome stuff like the GCC, GDB and Emacs, way back into the 70s and 80s, making him a true badass programmer. Number 8, Donald Knuth, is an American computer scientist, mathematician, and professor emeritus at Stanford University. He is the author of the multi-volume work The Art of Computer Programming. He created TeX, a typesetting system, which is still being used, and he originally created this for writing The Art of Computer Programming books. Number 7, John Carmack is an American game programmer, aerospace and virtual reality engineer. He wrote the game engine for Doom, Quake, Wolfenstein games only by himself. He also used a square root algorithm faster than respective machine instruction. Number 6, Anders Helzberg. He is a prominent Danish software engineer who co-designed several popular and commercially successful programming languages and development tools. He was the original author of Turbo Pascal and the chief architect of Delphi. Number 5, Jeff Dean is an American computer scientist and software engineer. He is currently a Google Senior Fellow in the Systems and Infrastructure Group. Some interesting facts about Jeff are: Google Search was Jeff Dean's nuclear project. Jeff invented MapReduce so he could sort his fan mail. Jeff Dean writes directly in binary and then writes the source code as a documentation for other developers. Number 4, Bjarne Stroustrup. He is a Danish computer scientist, most notable for the creation and development of the widely used C++ programming language. Stroustrup has a master's degree in computer science, 1975, from Aarhus University, Denmark, and a PhD in computer science, 1979, from the University of Cambridge, England. Number 3, Steve Wozniak. He is a nerd of computer architecture design. He created first Apple computers and coded most of the first Apple software. Number 2, Linus Benedict Torvalds. He is a Finnish software engineer who is the creator and principal developer of the Linux kernel, which became the kernel for operating systems such as GNU and, years later, for Android and Chrome OS. Number 1, Dennis Ritchie. The designer and original developer of the C programming language and the key developer in the development of Unix operating system. The legacy of his work played a key role in spawning the technological revolution of the last 4.5 decades, including technology on which Apple went on to build its fortune. Thank you.